Hi everyone, and welcome back to Odoo. As we saw in some other videos, the paperless office is becoming a reality for many companies. In the digitalization of business processes, signatures are key to save time and money. Therefore, we would like to use electronic signing at Stealthy Wood. Since there are not a lot of us working for Stealthy Wood, we can't lose our time with traditional signatures. In fact, it can take a very long time before the signed documents come back to us, and work could be kept on hold during that time. It's something we don't want to deal with anymore. With e-signature, it will only take a few minutes to have our documents signed, and the tedious waiting time won't feel like an eternity. The electronic signature will give us an automated process that will reduce the financial impact Stealthy Wood has from printing, shipping, and other paper costs. After all, these costs can be enormous for companies. More than that, e-signature makes the physical presence unnecessary, which avoids travel expenses. In order to profit from these advantages, we decided to use Odoo's signature app. It's more convenient for our customers and partners because the tool is easy to use and user-friendly. We just have to upload the document, indicate where it should be signed, and deliver it to the people concerned so they can sign it immediately. Lastly, it also ensures a high level of security and data protection online. So let's jump in Stealthy Wood's database to see how this works. All right, here I am on my database. Let's go straight to the Sign application. So right away, we're going to have an overview of all of our templates. All right, so those that we've already uploaded. We can upload a new one from this view as well by going to upload a PDF template here. All right, if we want to check out all of the signatures that we have already requested, we can simply click on signatures at the top. And we'll go to our signatures page. It will show us those that are in progress, the documents that are fully signed, and those that are canceled as well. We can even request a signature here if we would like to. But before we do any of this, we need to figure out who we need the signatures from. So let's go to Configuration, Roles. So for my company, I sometimes need signatures from my customers, from my employees, or I just need a company representative to sign the document. However, it's super simple to create a new role simply by clicking on the Create button. So let's imagine you would like to sublease some of the offices or lease some of the offices in one of your buildings. You can add a name template here or a role template. All right, but let's go to back to our templates page, our templates overview. All right, and from here, we're going to go ahead and upload a new one. So we're going to click on Upload a PDF template. All right, let's choose this document right here. Okay, we can open. Now, right away, we're going to have a preview of that PDF, and we can already start adding some fields. Okay, so for this document in particular, I need the initials for my customer. So I'm going to first select the initials button and then go ahead and drag it and drop it exactly where I would like it to be on the document. Okay, so the responsible is customer. I can add once or I can add on all pages. Now, of course, this PDF is only one page, so I'm just going to add it once. And then I'm also going to require their signature. So I'm going to select signature, drag it down here. Okay, I can see that the responsible is still the customer and it's a mandatory field. However, I can unselect this if I would like to. All right, if I just want to remove this completely, I simply have to click on the little bin here. But let's go ahead and validate. So I don't just need the customer to sign this document, I also need the employee in charge to also add their initials. So I'm going to go to initials one more time, drag it and drop it, and then I'm going to select the employee here. So here we are going to see all of the roles that we created. So let's select employee, add once. And of course, you have a lot of other options as well. So you can do a lot here. You can add the name, date, and more. Okay, so it really just depends on your business and the template you've uploaded. All right, but for now, this looks good. So let's go ahead and send this. So we're going to do that right now. Okay, of course, we're going to need to add both the employee and the customer because it's their signatures that are required. So let's add our customer, Azure Interior. Azure Interior and our employee, Amy Caroline. All right, we can add an email that we would like to put in copy. Okay, and add a message as well. So I'm going to say, please sign this. And we'll send. Now, once it's sent, we're redirected to all of the details. Okay, so we have the partner, their emails, their roles, and also the state of their signatures as well. So we have all of the details here. We can see that the signature is in progress. Once it's signed, it will be moved to fully signed. We can also preview the document itself by clicking on this. We see that we're still waiting on those signatures at the top, and we can even resend if we need to. We can also access this by going to our signatures page. On the Kanban view, we see that it's in progress here. If we want to go back to that preview, we simply have to click. Or if we would like the details, we can choose this menu and go to details. Now from here, we can also cancel this as well if we would like to. So let's click on cancel. Okay, and then we're going to go back to our signatures page at this Kanban view, and we see that the stage has changed automatically from in progress to canceled. All right, so this whole process has been quite simple. Now let's go back to our templates. Okay, so what we can do with the templates is even modify them once we are no longer on that initial upload view. Okay, so let's go to this menu and click on Edit Fields first. Okay, we'll be able to edit those fields here. At the moment, this template is being used, so I don't have that possibility, but it does say I can duplicate this PDF. Okay, so I don't have to re-upload it. I can just duplicate it from Odoo, so that's really convenient. And then I can go ahead and add those fields and send it or share it with whoever I need to. All right, so how cool is that? But let's go back to that dashboard overview, and we have our duplicate here on the right. But we're going to also edit the template even further, okay? So we can add some tags to the template, okay? So let's say customer first. Okay, we're going to add that tag. I want it to be seen in the Kanban view, so I'm going to add a color. Okay, if we're using the Documents application, we can even say where we would like to send the signed documents, to which workspace in the Documents app, and we can even apply some tags to those documents once they've been signed and sent to the Documents app as well. So how cool is that? And of course, we have a preview of the PDF. So let's go back to the Kanban view of our templates. Okay. And we're going to sign directly. This means that I have the employee and the customer right there with me, and I don't need to send it to them by email and wait for their signature. I can go ahead and sign it directly. So I'm going to click on this button. Of course, I need to choose the responsibles. Okay, so we have Azure Interior, and the employee will be Amy Caroline. So let's go ahead and click on Sign Directly, and we can start. Click to start. It's as simple as that. Okay, we'll start with the customer. All right, let's go ahead and sign this. Now I'm signing by drawing. However, I can also do auto, okay, or I can load a signature as well. All right, so then I'll have the option to choose a file. But I personally like the draw option, so I'm going to keep it like that. We can click on next, and it will take us to the next place where we have a required field signature where we need to add an email or more. So let's go ahead and sign this. Okay, adopt and sign. Then we can validate and move on to the next person who needs to sign this document. So let's go ahead and do that right now. And Amy Caroline will sign the document as well. Adopt and sign. And after she has put her or signed her initials or added her initials, we can go ahead and validate this document and send the completed document, which we're going to do right now. And then we can view it simply by clicking on that button. And we have all of the information right here. Of course, if we go to signatures, we will see that it is fully signed here. So as you can see, it's super easy to work with the Sign application, and it's even great that it's also integrated with the Documents app as well. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.